What is up, Lucky Crew? It's your boy, Lucky Fever, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to get ringtones. So, what you wanna do is go on to any store you have. I have Mobile Market. It works on Google Play and the App Store. So what you wanna do is type in Sedge and right here. You want to download this Zedge. I have it, it's good for me. It works, and it has wallpapers and stuff like that, live wallpapers, HD. So now you want to open it. And you see all of this. So go to ring, and it has notifications, and then it has all the latest ringtones that people made. Let's see if I can play one. The iPhone sound. Has a lot. Hotline
You used to call me on my cell phone.
All you have to
Late
do
night
is
when
find
you
one that you
need
like
my
and have a search
call me
thing.
on my cell phone.
And hold on.
Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing.
And it has, you can find one. It's not called Welcome, it's called. This is the one I wanted. It's done. That's the one I want. What you want to do is click it, get information on it. See. So now what you want to do is click download, and then you can click set right here, and then it shows these. I'll set it as my notification, and notifications work the same way. See if I can get the notifications. See, iPhone text message. See, Peter Griffin.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
The whistle from the Hunger Games. The screaming goat. Come my way.
Baby, won't you come my way?
What I want from this is it's what are those?
Officer, I got one question for you.
This is the one.
Officer, I got one question for you.
Download, set, notification. And you can pick all the other ones, but then if that don't work for you, you could just go on to your settings. Let me find mine. Settings. Go to sound, and you can put your ringtone as anything. You just want to hit it to this edge, and then you have all of these. So you can just click it, set as ringtone. Then this.
Officer, I got one question for you.
So that's how you get ringtones, and like, subscribe, and comment. And peace out, lucky crew. And also, y'all want me to do a face cam of gaming, just leave it in the comments below. And peace out.